Hey, Dak. Dak, what are you eating? Looks like vegetables and Cheerios. Okay. Do you like it? What do you think? How was the library today? Huh? Huh. Oh, yeah? You have a piece of corn on your face. It's right here on your cheek. Just give it a swipe. Okay. Yes, you can applaud that. That was a good one.